Hey, it's SQUAREPEG on the Appalachian Trail in 2021 going SOBO. And so I'm looking at this little waterfall here straight ahead of me. Isn't it a beautiful little waterfall? Oh wait, this is the Appalachian Trail. See the stairs going up? This is straight and I'm starting to tilt up. And it pretty much goes almost straight up to get to the top up there. And that rock in the upper right hand side, the boulder sitting up at the top, that's probably like 50 feet above me. This is some of the crazy rock climbing and stuff that we do, and some of it's wet and slippery. This is looking down at about 45-degree angle of the camera to show you the trail that I just came up. And to show you what straight out is, this is what I'm looking at straight out. I came over that mountain there and down the one in the background. I hiked that ridge line to the right and the mountain in the background. Well, yeah, mid-background. To the Gale Head hut. From all the way up on the ridge at the Guyot shelter. Over by Mount Guyot. And a rock climbing I go. Up and away to the shelter. The Garfield shelter.